Hey guys, are you a freelancer? Then this video is special for you because in this video we're gonna discuss 7 such best tools for freelancers. So guys, welcome back to another video by Sandwind. And in the previous video we've already talked about 18 free tools for freelancers just like you, which you can check out right here. And in this video, I've basically sorted out the 7 best and the most efficient tools out there for you. So let's discover the 7 best extensions that you can install right now, and you can basically enhance your productivity as a freelancer. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here I'm in my computer screen, and as you can see, I have prepared a long list of extensions for you. As a freelancer, this is gonna really help you do the job, really faster and more efficiently. So let's explore the first one. So the first extension that I'm gonna talk about today is a productivity owl. So I'm gonna show you the web store page of it. Right, so here's the web store page of productivity owl. Like, just from the name you can guess like what this extension might do. It helps you basically keep a check on your productivity. It helps you increase your productivity. It doesn't let you waste your time upon any useless site, right? It you can read out here. It says, hello, I'm the productivity owl. I will give you a certain number of seconds to visit a website, then I would close the tab. You will learn the information you need, then get back to work, right? So the main motive is just simple. It just doesn't want you to spend a lot of time in one particular website. Just get the info and get out of it. You have to save your time, use it in doing something more productive. So that's the main purpose of this extension. You must definitely install this, and you will definitely see an improvement in yourself. And as a freelancer, your time is money. You have to value your time, and this is really going to help you out. And the next extension now in our list is Boomerang for Gmail. So let's explore this. There you go guys, here's the web store page for Boomerang for Gmail. So Boomerang for Gmail is basically an add-on for Gmail, which allows you to add multiple features into the normal Gmail, right? Normal Gmail is quite blunt, and with Boomerang the normal Gmail just spices up, and it becomes like a bit more productive and a bit more useful, because you can add on features like scheduling messages. You can schedule messages and you can set a work period time. You can also check out who is viewing your messages and when, and if the email has been opened, if there has been some clicks, and basically all these parameters. You can check this out, and you can see it has got 1 million plus active users. So you definitely know that this is something that is valued, right? So this extension is definitely a must-have if you are a freelancer, because you might be dealing with mails every single day, and in that case, when you're meeting some clients, you come to know that whether your mail has been viewed or not, if it has been opened, the link has been clicked or not, everything. Or you can check all these parameters by using this extension. And plus you can also schedule your messages, like you have to send a message tomorrow, but you might not be available tomorrow for typing out that email. So what you can do is you can basically create a draft today and schedule it, and when you schedule it, it's gonna send at the particular time that you schedule. So definitely it's a must-have for all freelancers, basically all professionals or researchers. This is definitely a great productive tool for you. Alright, so the next extension that we have in our list is Sandwind. Okay, let me just talk about Sandwind now. And the web store page is also loaded. So Sandwind is basically a productivity tool. Its major aim is to help you be more productive. It saves you time, it saves you effort, and what it basically does is it allows you to log into multiple social profiles or create multiple sessions on Chrome on it. And it's also available for Microsoft Edge and Firefox. So definitely if you're using those two browsers too, you can switch to you can also use Sandwind on those two browsers. And let me tell you that Sandwind has got a ton of other features too that you can check out. This video which talks about is Sandwind worth it, and definitely you come to know the power of Sandwind and the way it can help you transform yourself, right? So Sandwind is definitely a must-have. Plus it has got its own pro plans. You can check it out for added features, and at Sandwind we take great care that to resolve all your queries or your problems. If you have any problem, you can reach out to our support, and our support will be very happy to help you out with your grievances. And we definitely look forward to you installing Sandwind. Right now, the next extension for today is Save to Pocket. Let me check this out. Right, so here's the web store page of Save to Pocket. Right, Save to Pocket is a really great tool, and let me tell you how this helps you. So basically, when you're surfing through websites, maybe you're trying to get some idea. Maybe if you're a designer, or maybe if you're a content writer, you always try to get the idea first, right, the inspiration first. So in order to do that, you surf through the internet, you try to collect as much as info that you can, as much as designs or as much as a piece of articles. So what you can do is using Save to Pocket, you don't have to go ahead, trying to maintain some notes or maybe trying to get some snaps and save it. So instead, what you can do with using Save to Pocket, you can save pieces of information from the web store, well, from the websites right into this extension, right? You can basically save the entire sites that you have to visit and keep everything organized in your pocket, right? So that is the main purpose of this extension. With Save to Pocket, you can save websites, you can save information, everything right at the same place. So this is something that you must be looking for. It has got 2 million plus users, which is really great. As you can see, 2 million plus users means that's a big deal of people that trust this extension, that have users, and they are actively using this extension, right? So definitely go ahead, check this out. It's gonna really prove helpful to you. All right, so the next extension is One Tab. Let me just show you, its website page. So here's the One Tab website page. As you can see, I've already installed this extension because it's really cool. Let me just tell you, when you have, when you're dealing with multiple tabs, you've got multiple tabs open, it takes a huge deal of your RAM, your computer memory. So what you can do is use One Tab. One Tab is gonna take all those tabs and bring it into one single tab, right? When you just, for example, you can see this extension installed here. When I click here, everything gets sorted out to just one tab. So this is really cool, and it's gonna save you memory. You can see now there's just one tab open, and now the memory that consumes in Chrome is for just one tab, and basically you can use it out. I can click this and there you go, I have my notepad open again. Right guys, so the 12th extension that I have for you today is Loom. I'm pretty much sure you might have heard of it, so let's check it out. So guys, here's the website page of Loom, and let me tell you what Loom does, right? You can see in the title it says free screen recorder and screen capture. So basically this is what it does. It basically allows you to create, to basically record your screen. And you might think, what different is it from the normal traditional screen recorder? So basically, since it's a Chrome extension, you can record the screen, and at the same time you have a basically shareable link that you can share with anyone. It could be for example, you might want your client to see some changes that you did, or it could be something that you want to share a part of your screen. You might want to share basically a portion of your design. So what you can do is you can basically switch on this extension, record the screen, or maybe capture the screen, have a snapshot of it, and you can basically get a shareable link, or online hosted link. So you can basically share that, and things get super convenient here, right? So this is gonna save you data, save you time, and basically this is gonna be really much handy than following the traditional process. So definitely Loom, it's extension for you. Go ahead and install it, check this out yourself, right? So guys, the 17th extension in our list for today is Magical Text Expander. So let me just show you. So there you go, here's the website page of Magical, which is the text expander and autofill. So this is a magic tool for all the content writers out there, right? So if you're a content writer, you can't really have a better extension than this. What this does is that it basically allows it fills out the number of words that you can say, or it automatically generates content based upon a short summary that you provide, right? So basically this is going to help you expand your text. For example, you have written 200 words and you want this to fit into 500 or maybe 1,000 words. So definitely this extension is going to do the job for you. It's going to basically expand those texts, create more meaningful sentences, and it makes really good sentences. And the AI technology involved here tries to get the best combinations of words and sentences or phrases, that just makes really a sense, right? That makes a sense while writing. It doesn't pre-fills any just random words, makes a jumble of sentences. So it's not like that. It just creates the most natural sounding sentences and basically paragraphs for you, so that you can basically use this extension and can get the magic. You can basically feel the magic there, how you can use this extension to create long text without you having to type it, or without you having to generate it. At the end, you can proofread and you can basically make some edits. Since this is a tool, you can't basically rely upon it, so you definitely have to proofread it once and basically make all those changes. So definitely, as a content creator or maybe as a content writer, so this is the perfect tool for you. Alright guys, so here you saw the 7 best extensions that you can install as a freelancer, and this will definitely help you out. And yes, I'd like to say this, all of these links have been mentioned in the description, so you can go, with a single click of a button, you can install this extension. So I wish you good luck, and I hope to see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.